Well, YouTube, it's been some time. Day 9,045,000. I have some advice for you. If you're going to tile, don't use travertine. It takes ages. Everything gets covered in this slurry and, well, it's just not very good. Anyway, we have now finished the tiling and I've almost spent. So here we are, let's have a look around. So doesn't it look lovely, ladies and gentlemen? Here we have tiles. Tiles, hundreds of them. We've got our basin area here. Tiles, tiles everywhere. Tiles, 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 and more tiles. Well, now we've actually got some fun bits. We've still got grouting to do, we've got to shine up all these tiles, we've got to get rid of all the little spots of cement that have been dropped, but here we are, particularly proud of this. The stench pipe outlet, and in the right spot I hope as well, because it's not coming out again. Well, there you have it. Don't use travertine. I'm off for a shower. Bye.